The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for north central San Diego County. At 2:38 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Palomar Mountain State Park, Highway 79 between Warner Springs and Oak Grove, S7 East Grade Road, Oak Grove, Palma Valley, and La Jolla Indian Reservation. Please go to www.weather.gov/SGX for detailed location information.